Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. And yes, Vito is doing the intro now. Okay, so we're gonna be opening an Elmer's color changing thing. So first we got two things. Oh, we got the color changing light thing. Yeah. Gia, I'm only gonna be using one, so we'll have another one left over. So we got that one, and then we got that one. And then we got Elmer's magical liquid.
How much activator do you have?
Two things.
Wait, if there's left over the activator, can I have the other one?
Okay, sure. Okay.
Only if there is left over, because I think that's like not enough. I think that's too much.
No, that's enough. Okay, so guys, we're gonna be doing last time I did blue, so this time I did yellow. I'm doing yellow. Nope, that went flying.
So are we doing blue?
Yellow. Wait, actually blue.
Oh, yellow. Wait, what does yellow change into?
Red.
And what does orange? What does blue turn into?
Blue to purple. I'm doing blue.
Yeah, do blue.
Okay. Let's go. Let's go. Oh yeah.
Oh, are you gonna do all of it?
This is good for now.
I think you do all of it. It's bigger.
Okay, so I have two mixing things, just in case one breaks. I'm going to mix that because why not?
Why not?
And then I'm going to put glitter. I usually put everything before I do the activator. So first I'm going to do...
Am I frozen?
No. Well, yeah, a little. So first I'm going to do this dark blue glitter. That's good.
Okay.
And then I'm going to do silver glitter. Yeah. And then I'm going to do a tint of red because I only have a tint. And a tint of red. Yeah. And then that's good for that. So, red, white, and blue. Look. Red, white, and blue. Gia, look. Red, white, and blue. Okay. So now I'm going to do my favorite. I have the foil. So you know the foil? I'm going to do red foil.
Elliot.
Yeah?
Elliot.
Yes? So I have red foil. Sadly it broke, but it's fine. So I have the red foil. Yes.
No.
Oh, it's fine. So we...
Pause it for a second. Did you finish what you were doing outside?
Okay, Gia was moving destinations because her sister, which is a problem. So there we have the foil. Gia, you see the foil?
I heard you.
See the foil? And then there's red, white, and blue glitter under it. So yeah.
Oh, can I see it?
Yeah. See? Red, white, and blue glitter under.
Oh, yeah.
So now time to mix it. Sorry,
I think you
Gia.
should mix it all. Everything's in, then you should mix it.
That is the most disgusting thing I've ever seen.
What?
It's actually not too bad, but it's like... I need something to bedazzle it a little more. Okay, so I'm going to do more glitter, because why not?
Why not?
Yeah. So I'm just going to do the rest of my silver, because why not?
Oh my god!
What?
Just pour that whole thing of glitter.
Yeah. Okay, mixing that. Sorry, Gia, I have to show them, not you. Okay.
I'm at a cafe.
Okay, now I'm going to do some purple. Just like, yeet.
You're messing everything up, Elliot.
Nah, this is an amazing slime, and it will always be... No, the purple makes it so beautiful now. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Look at that, Gia.
Oh, wow.
It's so nice. I need more purple. changing slime, but what happens if I put paint in it, like food coloring?
Don't even.
Okay. Okay, so I
I
think
don't think it's gonna color change anymore.
it's time to activate. Let's see if the glue color changes by itself without the activator. So we have
Hey,
the light.
glue color
That's the
changes
light.
within- Wow. The glue color changes by like heat and cold.
Yeah. No, it colors changes by the light. It works.
No, the heat.
No, the light.
The
Why?
heat.
Why did it give? It says color changing slime kit, and the girl is with the UV light just going on it. You know. Then why is it working when? Why is it changing colors when I put
Wait,
it
did
on?
that come with it?
Yeah, it came with it.
Ah, it's different.
Yeah.
Wait, can
So-
I see it?
Yeah. Look. Wait. So regular blue, right? And then I put that on there for a few seconds.
Yeah, I can't see it.
And then look, it's different. That part's different.
Yeah, I can't see it. You gotta go up more.
Okay, yeah. Okay, we're gonna mix that, and then we're gonna put the activator. Yes.
Oh, chill.
Okay.
Wait, for the activator needs some partying.
Yeah. So I'm gonna stab it with this.
Oh, we're in outer space.
So let me get a knife.
Oh, we're in an aquarium.
Wait, how do
Wait,
I
sharks
open
are-
this?
Wow, more. Okay.
But when they say to be a lie to me.
Hey, what's this?
By the way, guys, I have so much
These
consumed.
backs have been moving. Did you know that?
What?
These are moving back.
Oh. So I have this stabber. So
Wow, you have to stab it.
first I'm gonna do half a cap. And I need to stab it more. What? How is it not coming out?
Haha.
Okay. It's more like
Those are red.
the activator. The Elmer's activator is more like a glue consistency. It's not like a water consistency. Time to put it in. Let's see. Sorry, Gia. Oh, it's coming together. Yeah, I'm putting more. Let's go. Oh, Gia. Gia, how dare you?
Oh my god.
You laid a fart. Like. Gia!
Hey! Now you're blaming me?
Yeah, I'm blaming you because you did it.
Yeah, Elliot. I think it's your dog.
I don't have a dog.
Yeah, your dog. You didn't know you had a dog?
No, I never knew I had a dog.
That's the wrong surprise.
Okay, so I made it bigger. Now time to put more foil. Okay, so I don't have a lot of foil, so I'm just gonna put
I have a question.
what?
Over the summer when I go there, can like the first thing we do is make slime?
Duh.
Or use those kits?
Yeah. Who's calling me?
Wait,
Foil is very delicate. So I'm just gonna place it on like that. And I just ripped it. Wow. Mix! And I just got it all over my
Can I
hands.
go to my real background? That's my real background.
Oh wow, yeah.
Elliot, whose room do you think I'm in?
Felicia's.
Okay, ready?
No, Vito's.
The fact that you thought I went all the way downstairs is
Oh yeah.
just it's not cool. cool. It's so cool. That's
So,
cool, okay?
okay, buys. I'm gonna do the activator. We have 1 more minute, by the way.
Wait, how many minutes were there on?
11. We gotta go. Gotta go right now. 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 Gotta. It feels like intestines.
You know from Vivo, it's M-I-A-M-I, running out of time. We gotta go. I know. A-M-A-M-I, running out of time. So let's tumble.
I have exactly 1 minute and 1 second left. Gotta go, we gotta go.
Yes.
Gotta go.
I said yes.
Running out of time. We gotta go. Oh my gosh,
Vito,
this
I
is
said
not
yes.
looking good. This is not going good. No.
I think you're overactivating it.
I'm not, it's still like, ugh.
Yes, you're overactivating it.
No, I'm not, it's still like really watery.
That's being overactivated. It's not supposed to feel
Bye guys, part 2.